In this video, I will show you how to add categories in BigCommerce. First, go to the BigCommerce dashboard. On the left-hand panel, click Products, then select Categories from the drop-down. This will take you to your Categories dashboard. At the top right, click Add New. A pop-up window will appear. Here, type in your display name, choose your channel, and select a parent category if you're creating a subcategory. Make sure to tick Enable Visibility so your category appears on your storefront. Once done, click Save and Edit. Scroll down and fill in any additional details you find important, like descriptions, images, or SEO settings, then hit Save again. Back on the Categories dashboard, you'll now see the category you created. You can click the three-dot icon beside it and choose Edit to adjust even more settings. Under Parent Category, you can also move it under any other parent you prefer. Click Save to finalize. After returning to the main Categories dashboard, you'll see your category neatly placed in the correct hierarchy. And that's how to add categories in BigCommerce.